Saturn, a planet adorned with thousands of shimmering rings. It's a celestial wonder visible from our own planet. Its beauty has captivated stargazers for centuries. For many, Saturn is the most beautiful planet in our solar system. Its rings, a crown of ice and rock, set it apart from all others. But Saturn's beauty is more than just skin deep. Beneath its stunning exterior lies a fascinating world of gas and swirling storms. This gas giant holds secrets about the formation of our solar system. Let's embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of Saturn. Saturn is a gas giant, much like its neighbor, Jupiter. What does this mean? It means that Saturn doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, it's mostly made up of gases. These gases, primarily hydrogen and helium, are the lightest elements in the universe. They are the same elements that fuel our Sun. Deep within Saturn's atmosphere, these gases become incredibly dense. The pressure and temperature increase dramatically, but even with this dense core, Saturn's average density is surprisingly low. Here's a mind-boggling fact. Saturn is less dense than water. What does this mean? If we could find a bathtub big enough to hold it, Saturn would float. This might sound impossible, but it's true. Saturn's low density is due to its gaseous composition. Imagine a giant ball of cotton candy, light and fluffy. Of course, finding a bathtub big enough to test this theory is impossible. But the concept highlights the unique nature of this gas giant. Saturn's most striking feature is undoubtedly its rings. These rings are not solid as they might appear from a distance. Instead, they are made up of countless particles of ice and rock. These particles range in size from tiny grains of dust to massive chunks bigger than houses. Each particle orbits Saturn like a tiny moon. The rings are incredibly thin, only a few hundred meters thick. If you were to view them edge-on from Earth, they would practically disappear. The origin of Saturn's rings is still a mystery. Scientists believe they are relatively young, formed from the remnants of a shattered moon or comet. Section 5. Rings up close. Imagine flying through Saturn's rings. You'd see a dazzling display of icy particles sparkling in the sunlight. Some particles would whiz by you at incredible speeds. The rings are divided into different bands separated by gaps. These gaps are created by the gravitational influence of Saturn's moons. Some moons, known as shepherd moons, help to keep the rings in line. Saturn's rings are constantly changing and evolving. Collisions between particles occur frequently. Sometimes new rings even form and old ones disappear. The complexity and beauty of Saturn's ring system continue to amaze and intrigue scientists. Section 6. A giant among giants. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system after Jupiter. This gas giant is a marvel of the cosmos, captivating astronomers and space enthusiasts alike with its sheer size and beauty. It's a true giant with a diameter nearly 10 times that of Earth. Imagine the vastness of this planet stretching across the sky, dwarfing our home planet in comparison. To put its size in perspective, you could fit over 700 Earths inside Saturn. This staggering fact highlights just how immense Saturn truly is, and its volume is even more impressive. Over 760 Earths could fit inside this gas giant. The sheer volume of Saturn is a testament to its colossal presence in our solar system. Despite its massive size, Saturn rotates incredibly fast. This rapid rotation is a fascinating aspect of the planet, making it one of the fastest rotating planets in our solar system. A day on Saturn lasts only about 10.7 hours. This means that Saturn completes a full rotation in less than half the time it takes Earth to do so. This rapid rotation causes the planet to bulge at its equator and flatten at its poles. The centrifugal force from its swift spin creates this distinctive shape, making Saturn unique among the planets. Saturn's size and rapid rotation contribute to its stunning ring system and dynamic atmosphere. These rings, made of ice and rock, are one of the most iconic features in our solar system, adding to the planet's majestic allure. Section 7, Saturn's place in our cosmic neighborhood. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is one of the most fascinating planets. Due to its unique features and characteristics, it lies beyond Jupiter and the asteroid belt, making it one of the outer planets in our solar system. This positioning gives Saturn a distinct place in the cosmic neighborhood. Because of its distance from the Sun, Saturn takes much longer to orbit than Earth. This vast distance means that Saturn's year is significantly longer than an Earth year. 1 year on Saturn, the time it takes to complete one orbit around the Sun, is about 29.5 Earth years. This means that while Earth experiences nearly 30 years, Saturn completes just one orbit. Saturn is a cold planet with an average temperature of about -178 degrees Celsius or -288 degrees Fahrenheit. These frigid temperatures are a result of its great distance from the Sun. This frigid temperature is due to its distance from the Sun. The farther a planet is from the Sun, the less solar energy it receives, leading to colder temperatures. However, Saturn generates its own internal heat, radiating more energy than it receives from the Sun. This internal heat is a fascinating aspect of Saturn's nature. This internal heat is thought to be left over from its formation. When Saturn formed, it retained a significant amount of heat, which it continues to radiate into space. This process helps scientists understand more about the planet's history and composition. Section 8. Numerous moons in orbit. Saturn is a true giant, and like any good giant, it has a retinue of followers. In Saturn's case, these followers are its moons. Saturn has more than 80 moons. These moons come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny moonlets to Titan, the second largest moon in our solar system. Titan is a fascinating world in its own right. It has a dense atmosphere, rivers, lakes, and even rain. However, unlike Earth, these features are made up of methane and ethane, not water. The exploration of Saturn's moons, especially Titan, offers a glimpse into the diversity and wonder of our solar system. Section 9. Exploring Saturn. Missions and discoveries. Over the years, several spacecraft have visited Saturn, beaming back incredible images and data. These missions have not only expanded our knowledge, but also sparked curiosity and wonder about the mysteries of the universe. These missions have revolutionized our understanding of this gas giant and its ring system. The data collected has provided insights into the composition, structure, and dynamics of Saturn's rings, which are far more complex than previously thought. Pioneer 11 was the first spacecraft to fly by Saturn in 1979. This historic mission marked the beginning of our close-up exploration of the outer planets. It provided our first close-up views of the planet and its rings. The images and data from Pioneer 11 were groundbreaking, offering a glimpse into the previously unseen world of Saturn. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 followed, providing even more detailed images and data. These twin spacecraft conducted flybys that revealed new details about Saturn's atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons. They revealed the intricate structure of Saturn's rings and discovered new moons. The Voyager missions significantly enhanced our understanding of the Saturnian system, uncovering phenomena that continue to intrigue scientists. The Cassini-Huygens mission, a joint project of NASA and the European Space Agency, orbited Saturn from 2004 to 2017. This mission was one of the most ambitious and successful planetary missions ever conducted. It provided the most comprehensive study of Saturn to date. Cassini's detailed observations have deepened our understanding of Saturn's atmosphere, rings and moons, and its legacy continues to influence planetary science. Section 10. Unraveling Saturn's mysteries. Despite decades of exploration, Saturn still holds many mysteries. Scientists are still working to understand the formation and evolution of its rings. The internal structure of Saturn is also not fully understood. Scientists are using data from the Cassini mission to create models of the planet's interior. The study of Saturn and its moons provides valuable insights into the formation and evolution of gas giants and planetary systems in general. Further exploration of Saturn is planned for the future, promising even more exciting discoveries. Section 11. Imagine Saturn afloat. So the next time you see an image of Saturn, remember this: that beautiful ringed planet could float in water. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises and that even the most massive objects can have unexpected properties. Keep looking up at the stars and never stop exploring the wonders of our cosmos.